Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to edit the final URL in your ad inside Google Ads. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Ads website. Sign in to your account using your email address and password. After you are logged in, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. Click on Campaigns. You will now see a list of your active and paused campaigns. Find the campaign that contains the ad you want to edit. Click on the name of that campaign to open it. Once you are inside the campaign, go to the page menu on the left and click on Ads. This will show you a table with all the ads in that campaign. Take a moment to find the specific ad where you want to change the final URL. When you locate the ad, move your mouse over it. A small pencil icon will appear. This is the Edit option. Click on the pencil icon to open the ad editor. Inside the editor, look for the field labeled Final URL. This is the web address where users will land after they click on your ad. Delete the old URL and enter the new one. Double-check that the link is correct and leads to the right page. After you finish editing the final URL, scroll down and click Save at the bottom of the editor. Thanks for watching.